Most people think a single dash cam is enough until something happens outside its field of view. A rear-end collision, a parking lot hit and run, or an aggressive driver brake-checking you on the highway can leave you with only part of the evidence. That's exactly why dual-channel dash cams have become so important. By recording both the front and rear of your vehicle at the same time, they give you complete coverage and much better protection when it matters most. In this video, we're breaking down 7 of the best dual-channel dash cams you can buy right now. Whether you care most about crystal clear 4K footage, advanced parking protection, cloud connectivity, night vision, or smart driver assistance features, there's an option here for every kind of driver. As always, updated prices and buying links are available in the description below. If you enjoy tech and automotive gear like this, make sure you subscribe, and let's jump right into the list. 1. Thinkware Arc 700. If you want a dual-channel dash cam that strikes a really strong balance between video quality, smart parking protection, and everyday usability, the Thinkware Arc 700 is one of the cleanest all-around options available right now. Starting with video quality, this setup records true 4K footage on the front camera and 2K on the rear camera without relying on fake upscaling tricks. Both cameras also support dual HDR processing, which combines multiple exposures into a cleaner and more balanced image. The result is footage that handles bright sunlight, tunnels, headlights, and dark shadows far better than standard dash cams. You can run the front camera in full 4K HDR at 30 frames per second, while the rear records in 2K at 30 FPS, and overall clarity stays impressive. License plates remain readable, transitions between lighting conditions look smooth, and nighttime footage holds together very well. Thinkware also uses its IQ image tuning system, which was developed through years of real-world video analysis. Combined with Super Night Vision 3.0, wide dynamic range processing, smart exposure adjustments, and ISO tuning, the Arc 700 does an excellent job reducing grain and keeping nighttime footage usable. Parking protection is another big strength here. Once the ignition is turned off, the camera automatically switches into parking surveillance mode. With either the optional OBD2 cable or hardwire kit installed, you get motion detection, impact detection, 20-second buffered event clips, time-lapse recording, and Thinkware's energy-saving 3.0 system that helps maximize recording time while reducing heat. There's also a smart parking mode that records only when impacts occur, helping save battery and storage space. And if you add the optional radar module, parking detection becomes even more precise. Built-in GPS handles speed tracking and safety camera alerts for speed traps and red light cameras as well. So, if you want a premium front and rear setup with excellent image clarity, strong low-light tuning, and reliable parking monitoring, the Thinkware Arc 700 is one of the strongest balanced choices you can buy. 2. Torvo TD3. Budget dash cams usually force you to sacrifice important features, but the Torvo TD3 manages to deliver surprisingly premium functionality without the premium price tag. For roughly around the $100 range, you're getting 4K front recording combined with a 1080p rear camera, which is already impressive value for the money. The front lens offers a wide 170-degree field of view, while the rear camera covers 150 degrees. That wide coverage helps reduce blind spots and captures more detail around your vehicle during accidents or close calls. One thing that helps this camera stand out from cheaper alternatives is the use of a supercapacitor instead of a standard lithium battery. That matters because traditional batteries can struggle in extreme heat, especially during summer months. Supercapacitors are much more durable and reliable over time. The TD3 also includes built-in GPS for recording your speed and location directly onto the footage, which can be useful during insurance claims or disputes. On the usability side, you get a 3.2-inch IPS display along with fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi support, making file transfers and app connectivity much smoother than older systems. But one of the best features here is the Starlight night vision system combined with an f/2.0 aperture lens. It actually performs surprisingly well in difficult lighting situations, balancing bright headlights and darker road conditions better than most budget models. Now, compared to some of the more expensive dash cams on this list, you won't get advanced cloud systems or AI-assisted safety features. But if you mainly want the core premium features like 4K recording, GPS, solid night vision, and dependable reliability while keeping costs under control, the Torvo TD3 is easily one of the strongest value options available. 3. Viofo A229 Pro. If your top priority is pure video quality, especially during nighttime driving or difficult lighting conditions, the Viofo A229 Pro deserves serious attention. This dash cam uses Sony's latest Starvis 2 image sensors, specifically the IMX678 sensor up front and the IMX675 sensor in the rear camera. That hardware upgrade makes a massive difference when it comes to low light clarity. The front camera records in 4K while the rear captures in 2K, delivering sharp footage from both directions. More importantly, the camera does an excellent job preserving fine details like license plates, street signs, and lane markings even in darker environments. HDR processing also helps balance scenes with strong glare, shadows, or headlights, making the footage look much cleaner and easier to read. Drivers who frequently travel at night or during sunrise and sunset conditions will appreciate how well this system controls noise and maintains accurate color reproduction compared to older sensor technology. The A229 Pro also includes fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi support for quicker file transfers, and there's even support for adding a third interior camera if you want cabin monitoring as well. Compared to simpler dash cams, this one focuses heavily on delivering professional-level footage quality first and foremost. So, if video performance is the biggest factor for you, the Viofo A229 Pro stands out as one of the best recording systems currently available. 4. Blackview DR970X Plus. If you travel frequently, manage multiple vehicles, or simply want remote access to your car from anywhere, the Blackview DR970X Plus is built specifically for that kind of user. This dash cam's biggest strength is its cloud connectivity system. With LTE support, you can access live video streams, receive alerts, and manage recordings remotely without needing your car connected to a local Wi-Fi hotspot. The front camera uses Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and records crisp 4K footage with excellent handling of glare, reflections, and nighttime conditions. Blackview also uses H.265 video compression, which helps reduce file sizes while maintaining high-quality recording. Another really useful feature is the 10-second buffered event recording. Instead of only capturing the moment of impact, the camera also saves footage from before the incident occurred, giving you a much clearer picture of what actually happened. The cloud platform also allows multiple cameras to be managed under one account, and firmware updates can happen automatically over the air. Drivers also like how discreet the physical camera design is. It mounts neatly behind the rearview mirror and stays mostly hidden from view. The downside, of course, is price. This is one of the most premium options on the list, and the cloud functionality requires an additional subscription plan. Still, for users who prioritize remote monitoring, live alerts, and advanced cloud features, the Blackview DR970X Plus remains one of the strongest connected dash cam systems available. 5. 70mm A810. Changing lighting conditions are one of the hardest things for dash cams to handle properly. Driving through tunnels, entering direct sunlight, or dealing with nighttime glare often causes footage to either blow out or become too dark. The 70mm A810 tackles that problem very well. This camera combines Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor with 70mm's Night Owl vision processing system to improve low-light clarity while controlling glare and exposure. Drivers consistently report sharp daytime footage and readable license plates even during difficult transitions between shadows and bright sunlight. The company's MyColor Vivid Plus image processing also helps keep colors looking natural instead of overly sharpened or artificial. If you prefer smoother motion recording, you can switch to 1080p at 60 frames per second, which works especially well for fast-moving highway traffic. The A810 also supports optional 4G LTE connectivity for remote access and monitoring, while AI-powered motion detection helps improve parking surveillance. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road, and setup is relatively simple overall. However, if you want continuous parking mode recording, you'll still need to purchase the optional hardwire kit separately. Even so, between the HDR performance, strong low-light clarity, and useful parking features, the 70mm A810 is a great option for drivers who regularly deal with changing lighting environments.